I didn't learn about the keyboard since 2 days. Yesterday I didn't saw any video of the keyboard learning, and
I
today also.
I have not been seen.
Sorry, yaar. I have not been seen the video about the video of my keyboard course, which is of 10 days.
For 2
Yesterday
days.
and today.
For 2 days, not since 2 days, because days can be 10 days. It is not definite, so you can use for, not since. You said since 2 days, na? It's not since, it's for 2 days.
Now I get your get
You got my point.
yes. It is completely of what are you telling me? It is completely about tense. And when I was in 9th or 10th, not 10th, I was in 9th or 8th class, na. I was master in tense. Seriously, you can believe me, I was master in tenses.
But when I was in 9th standard, I was scared of making translation. When my teacher came in my class, I just start thinking about, oh my god, he will ask me. And every day I was scared, I was fear that he are see, don't ask me anything.
No, you know what? You do and think like that, and what I am thinking, that please teacher come and ask me something about tense, so that all my classmates can focus on me, and they talking about me. Wow, what an intelligent guy! How much knowledge he has.
That's why
about
na
tenses.
school knowledge and education can be forget, but real education is that when you complete your education, then you have to learn, and that will never going to forget.
At that time, I was fondy about that someone. I was fondy about that. I have to be. What is that?
I have to be solo celebrity in my college.
Yeah, I have. मतलब मुझे focused वो था कि मेरे ऊपर focus रहे.
Yeah. So
I want to be focused by all the persons. And right now, what is my personality is, I don't want to be focused myself in front of peoples. I want that, please don't come near me, don't ask me, and I just shut my mouth. What happens in the yesterday? What happens at the yesterday in what is that? Wait a second.
seminars.
In the seminar, that what the seminar, who is giving the seminar, na, whatever questions he ask, I know of. I can say I know about 60% about that, but due to hesitation, due to shyness, that all the people will laugh if I give the answer will be wrong. So I didn't say it. And just behind to me, topper is sitting behind to me, next to me, and I was saying that answers very slowly so that he can hear. And what I said, he listened and passed to the teacher.
Teacher.
That teacher. So when he told all the answers to the teacher, na, all the people will clap for him, and I was just, what I should do. It means that I know that answer, but due to hesitation, I didn't said that.
But I think you should remove your hesitation, otherwise you can lose.
And I think he didn't know about anything. Whatever answer I passed, he knows only, I think, 10 to 20%. He know about what question he asked. He know about the answer of that question.
But
Because
still he became the solo celebrity of the college, but you didn't.
Repeat it.
But still he became solo celebrity of the college.
And at that time, I was feeling guilty why I did not do the answer.
I think you should give the answer. It doesn't matter it is wrong or right. Firstly, you should take a stand.
That I maybe at some point I will. Sorry. I was learned that I have to give answers, whether it is true or false. I don't need to be care about that.
Firstly, remove your hesitation. Overpower your hesitation. If you don't do this, you cannot succeed. It is important for you.
I was thinking that I know that answers and how fool I am. I didn't give it. He also knows some answers and he gave them. I didn't have any idea about that answers and he gave them and all the people, and there is a 2 teacher also of our college sitting there. So they are examining us now, looking at how we are reacting to the seminars.
And
Seminar.
this is the trial of interviews. This is a trial of interviews.
I don't know what is that. So
No, I exactly know what was that, but I am telling you that this is the trial. If you take it, it was a trial for you. If you answer, then you will get idea that how can I face interviewers. Same situation you will going to face in interviews.
I have to do something.
Not you have to do something. Right now you have to take actions. Don't think.
Yeah, that's.
I think you should travel. Go outside and visit somewhere so that you can get confidence.
I will. When I'm going to. What is that institution name? RVM AutoCAD. I'm going to go.
I think you should take personality development class for 1 or 2 months. It will be helpful for you because you are going to take interview. For facing interview, it's most important.
I just watch the video of that institutes. What I am just mentioning you, and there are 14. I don't know how much person, but they all told 12. There are 12 persons who attended the interview. So he makes the video to help for students or for public, for his channel. I don't know, but what I gets, the common question is that firstly you have to tell about yourself. Company is asking about yourself, your family, your family's profession. Those 2 things are very common, that all 12 persons are told that company will ask first. Then they come to your education, and then they come to their whatever technical and all. It's of 9 minutes video. I'll send you and you just saw that.
Okay, send me.
Because I think you can help me more. When you saw these videos, you help me a lot.
I will try. Firstly, let me see, then I will check that what.
You analyze these videos and then tell me the conclusion. And one more thing I want to tell you, I don't know how to introduce yourself in front of others. Just like now, you are my interviewer and you are taking my interview on conference. So if I started my interview, I don't know from where I have to start.
No, you have to start from yourself, that my name is this. It's okay, they know your name, but still you have to tell if they ask it, tell me about yourself, then you can say that my name is Sachin and I'm from this area, I'm doing this and I want to this, my strength is this, my weakness is this.
Tell me the answer of one question. They all also said that why you choose the mechanical engineering. So I told, and also this same question when the sir comes to take our seminar, give seminar in our college, they also ask all the people, why did you choose?
You have to tell them why you have chosen this.
I don't have any idea. So how can I told?
So you can say that sir, someone suggested me and I chosen this technical area.
You don't think it will produce bad effect on the.
It will, when in the very beginning, if you tell them that sir, due to this reason I have chosen this, your mind will be free. But if you try to make over that, sir, I choose, I give and all that, if you try to make over that, at the whole process, at what time, for how much time you will stay there, your mind will be confused, your mind will feel like that I'm a thief, I made something wrong, like that. So be clear, don't think that what they think, what kind of expressions going on in front of them. Don't think about this, just be clear. So I really
He
don't
also
have
make a
idea.
video of a person. He also make a video of a guy who attended 5 interview, and they are out good companies. And out of 5, he cleared 3 interviews.
You can also
And
clear,
he was an B.Tech student.
you can also clear 5 out of 5 due to your honesty, not because of that. If I say that, sir, this is not, I really don't have idea that why I have chosen. So if they can say, they can think that he is an honest person. But right now, if you are curious, they want to know that you have chosen or not, is not important. Right now you are curious about that or not. If
I
you
was
are
thinking
curious,
that
they will choose you.
he to at the last the sir asked him question that what is the what do you tips are you going to give the children guys who want to attend the interview? He said focus on firstly auto. If you are giving the interview of a mechanical engineering, the very most important, you have to be very high command on MD, machine design or machine drawing, you can say that. And I am that. And second one is this is general question. They ask about measurements, that how much in 1 inches, and that is 25.4 in 1 inches, and 2.5 centimeter in 1 inches.
Yeah, I know it.
And I still don't know. When I saw that video, in the video he told, and they are asking basics. Basic is that vernier caliper. You heard about that vernier caliper?
I
Vernier
have
caliper.
heard, but right now, if you ask about that, I don't have it.
I am not asking you. I am telling you. These are the basics. Which company to ask you in the interview? He told you have to idea about measurements, instruments, and about their least and their least counts. And you have to command on MD, machine design, and you have to be, because they play 30% role, and 70% is about what software you done. 70% is interview on your. So he told that 10% is out of your introduction, how you give, how you look confidence and all, and then comes to about their machine drawing and design, and also strength of material, which comes strain, stress, these are the terms I studied in the 3rd semester. They are going to ask this, and then they come on the software, whatever you done in AutoCAD. And he said out of 5 companies, all of these companies gave him peace and told him make the drawing on that software. All the companies. He said if you are going to going as a CAD designer, I am going to be doing CAD software. CAD is computer aided designing, because I want to, my interest is in towards the computer. So I want to do work as a mechanical engineer, but through the computer. So I find my way, that it is the way.
And it's good. So I think you should work on that. You have to work more on CAD.
I am going to, and I told you, they are asking 4500 for AutoCAD 1 month course. 1 month, it's of 1 month course, and then it is coming to be SolidWorks. Next is SolidWorks. That is a 2-month course. I don't know about the prices. When I'll visit there, they told me. And then it comes VMC and CNC programming, not work like a operator, like Pawan's matron uncle do. I have to do programming. After doing programming, my job is done. I don't need to be stand there. I don't need to be checked like operator by the time. Sir told in the seminar that you are doing diploma. You guys are doing diploma. So what are you thinking that what kind of job you are going to achieve? Someone in the crowd told sir like a labor. So he laughed and then said, "Not. It is not like that. You are not going to become a labor as a supporter,
I got.
and you are not going to be also work like a operator, which have to be near the machine all the time till it runs. You have to, if you do some courses of CAD and CAM. CAD is about the computer aided designing, and CAM is about manufacturing. If you do this you will get good job, and after having some experience, your increment will be also good, very very good, not only good, because there is a lot of updates about that. There is a company who is asking for a guy who have 3 years experience in AutoCAD, and he is giving the starting salaries of 50,000 in these days. Think about it. Then think about it that when my work experience will be 3 years, then how much it will turn? They are giving now 50,000
For AutoCAD student, they are going to give AutoCAD experienced person.
Yes, 3 years AutoCAD experience.
If I do AutoCAD, they will give this opportunity to me.
You have to crack the interview. You have to give interview. Crack the interview.
Yeah, I know. Like I'm a arts student. I have done BA. So still, if I try for AutoCAD, if I take admission in AutoCAD and pass the examination, I
think they are asking also for engineering background.
Okay. Let me check and then we will find out.
If you done your diploma if you was done your diploma, then you will be able. I was thinking that it's a real news. Company gives this information that I want a person who has done this software.
I know.
And he has to be 3 years 3 works experience, and we are going to take his interview, his or her. Then we are going to give in hand salary. It's 50,000. They said in hand.
I know. It is possible. Down. Even not 50, 60, 70. It is possible in these days. If private company waiting for experienced person.
And when I'm thinking, if I do and start work as a designer, and after 3-4 years, if I get an opportunity like that, then I think it's 50. That time it is 50. It is about 2022, and think about 2026, 2025. It's turned to be 80. It will be, because price of any job, anything will not is reduced. It will going to be increased. So I was thinking like, it is not like that. If you are able, you are going to be earn money.
Yeah, definitely. You have to value yourself.
You know, a guy which is living in Omex, who is right now Aditya's tuition teacher. When I told him, I don't know, I or mom or uncle mentioned in front of him, when I was failing in 12th, he was asking what is now Sachin doing. Then he told that they told that he enrolled in mechanical engineering diploma at their college falana plana, blah blah blah. And then he said it is not going to be work. He'll just do like a shopkeeper, मतलब कुछ ऐसा काम नहीं होगा उसमें, ऐसे ही जॉब नहीं लगी कहीं तो वही लगेगी 10,000 15,000 की, और फिर देन अगर वो जॉब नहीं लगी तो वो ये ऐसा सीख रहे हैं कि अपनी दुकान खोल के बैठ सकते हैं.
Then it's okay, it's their own choice. Anybody can anything to about